Welcome back to Painted Kids. This is Jessica, and today we're going to be learning to draw Lou from Uglydolls. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, with you guys supporting us and following us, it allows us to continue to do what we do, and that's make awesome art videos for you. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is Lou's head here, and it's just a nice wide U shape. And then at the end of our U shape, we're going to be doing a half circle right on the top, so that's going to be his ear. And then about halfway up his ear, we're going to start at the back of his head. So right about here, and then you're going to bring it up, and then you're going to curve it just a little bit. And then you're going to curve down. You're going to give it a little bit of space and curve down, almost like a teardrop that is missing its point there. And then we're going to start the other half of his head, and it's not quite center, it's a little off center. So you're going to start at the back of the head, and you're going to curve it down, and then up, and that's going to be his first little spike of his hair. Then you're going to curve it out, and bring it past his head, and then bring it up, and bring it down, and then curve it back up and around and connect it to the back there. So he gets his nice stylish hair. So what we're going to do next is we're going to be doing his eyes. So we're doing 2 circles, because out of all the dolls, he's the most, he feels he's the most perfect of all the dolls. So he's going to have 2 circles, and then his eyelids, so about halfway up his eyes. Then we're going to do another partial circle in the corner of those eyes there, because he's kind of glancing off. He thinks he's hot stuff. And then we're going to do a line just following that circle. That'll be where we put his eye color. And then we're going to have his eyebrows, and it's going to curve down a little bit and then over, because he has that savvy look. And then a triangle for his nose, but no bottom. And then a nice curve for his mouth with a little indent on the end there. So now we're going to be doing his arm. You're going to give it a nice little curve as you come down. You're going to come straight down, you're going to come over, and then you're going to come up, but not all the way. And then just a little line on the end there for where his other shirt pokes out of his sleeve. For his hand, you're going to curve out, go over, curve in, and then you're going to do his thumb. So you're going to just do an S shape, just bring it in and around and back and connect it to the sleeve. So we're going to do a line that kind of a little diagonal, go to close to his arm, do a curved line that's also at an angle, and then a curved line at the bottom there. And then you're going to do a triangle point, just like that. And then you're going to come down at an angle and come in at an angle, and that's going to be the collar of his sleeve, and then out the other side. And then you're going to go and you're going to make 1, 2 buttons there, and then you're going to draw right down the center, but you're not going to draw through the buttons. And then at the bottom button, you're going to do 2 curves out to be like his little suit jacket. Now we're going to do his other arm, and we're going to really make the hand very simple. So you're going to curve it up, you're going to go up at an angle, over, and then you're going to go down an angle, and then in a little bit, and then out and down, and that's his hand, and then just straight back. And then 2 lines for his jacket again. There you go. And his legs are way easier. So we're gonna do this front leg here first, and he's doing kind of like a dancey kind of pose. So it's gonna be at a big angle, and then you're just gonna curve a little bit toward the bottom, and you're gonna follow that line with a straight line here. And then we're just going to curve at the bottom of this here, and you'll see that his foot's actually kind of coming forward a little bit, so you're not gonna be able to see it. And then just a curved line right there. So that's where his foot is. And now we're going to go to his other leg, and it comes down, over, and then up. And when you go over, you want to make sure that it's kind of at an angle downward. And then for his shoe, a little triangle shape just right there. And there is our Lou. Now for his coloring, we're going to do some peach colors for his skin tone. I made his eyelids a little bit darker of a peach tone just to make them pop a little bit more, but he has blonde hair. And then his suit has black and white, so I kind of did more of like a grayish color for his suit, and then white for his sleeves poking out, and on the collar of his shirt, and then the white pocket. And then I did black for his shoes, and then some blue for his little ascot kind of tie thing around his neck, because he doesn't have like a normal tie. He has kind of this scarfy thing that he tucks into his suit there. So, and then I gave him some blue eyes. So if you guys like this video, then go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more fun videos like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to show off any of your great Uglydolls creation, then go on over to our social media platforms and post what you create. I will list the links in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time.